Hi guys, welcome to Avina Solutions. Today our topic is mm, map collection in Salesforce Apex classes. So generally Salesforce supports the three types of collections. I think we are all know about that. But among those collections, many of the students, many of the people are fear about the map collection. So so today we have simplified that map collection by doing some exercises. So before going to practical session, as usual, I will give some theoretical knowledge about the map collection. Then after we will go to practical sessions and I will give some information about the map collection, how to play some games with the map collections, how to iterate those values and how to clone this and how to add some values into map collections. So these are the all the exercises we will do in the practical sessions. So right now I will give some theoretical knowledge of the map collection in the Salesforce. So let me open my paint. So map collection is a simply, it stores the information in the form of, it stores the data in the form of key value pair. So generally map collection stores the information or data in the form of key value pair. So generally does not allow duplicates. In the entire map collections, keys don't have any duplicates, but values we have duplicates. So I will prove. Generally map keys are represents with the it exhibits the behavior of like a set. In the set also it does not allow any duplicates. So in the set collection also it does not allow duplicates. Likewise, in the map collection on the map key value and pair keys does not allow any duplicates. On the same way, map dot values does not, it allows the duplicates. It's exhibits the nature like it's a list collection. So I will take one example and I will give more detail about the map collection. For example, in our mobile device we have several contacts in our mobile device. For example, user one having user one a single user having multiple phone numbers. There is a chance of single user having multiple phone numbers. For example, single user having one number from the Airtel and another number from the Geo. So user one, it is the key, so it does not duplicate. So user is one, but user having multiple phone numbers. In that way we can store the data in the map collection. So uh, keys does not allow any duplicates, but values can allow duplicates. So this is about all about map collection. So I will give some practical idea about this map collection. So let me open my Salesforce arc. So for example, I already give some idea about what is the key and value pair. So here, how to create map. For example, for creating a map, we have to create map instance with generics. So generally user one and user two, these are the names. So that will be the data will be, it's like a string. So it's a string. And the phone numbers is like a, we can store it as the all the data in the world we can store as a string. So whether it was a integer, whether it was a boolean, whether it was a long int, whether it was a any type data. So any type data can be stored as a string. So I would like to take as a phone numbers also. It's like a string. Whenever I need it, I typically convert it to the string data type, the integer value, by using some specific methods. Right now, I am storing the user as I'm treating as user one and user two. These data names can be treated as string type, and phone numbers also string type. String. This is the map collection for reference. Map one. New keyword generally creates the instance. So map string. So this is the creation of map collection. So how can we insert the values? So map this is the key value pair. So key and value. So in the place of key, it allows the string data type. In the place of value, it allows the string data types. So I will store the like whatever I show in the paint, that same data will be stored in this practical sessions. So let me open my arc. So likewise, so before going to, I'm building some duplicates, like in the for storing the values, I will store some string data types. That's why I'm go to list string list one equal to, now I'm creating the one list collection, new list string. So for adding the data into the list collection, we have a method called list reference and then add method. So list collection has the data type called string. So we have to place the data in between the single quotes. So it's like a phone numbers, 91 India code, and then some blah 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 number, and then second number plus 91 blah 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 number. Yeah. So same wise, I'm adding one more string in the place of first index, list to one dot yard plus 91 comma plus 91 some phone number. So these are the numbers. So basically this is the two numbers for user one. This is the two numbers for user two. So I will store in the map collection. How can we store? So here is the way. So for getting the values from the list, we have a get method. So map dot, for inserting the data into the map, we have a put method, and then so key value data type is string. So I will treat as user one, and the second type is also user one. So I am getting the phone numbers from the list collection. That's why I'm using the list reference variable from the index one, list dot get 0, and I'm adding the map one, sorry, map 2, map 1 put the same data type is user 2. It doesn't not allow the duplicates. That's why I'm giving the different string data types, different string names. So now list dot get 1. So I'm iterating the map data, whatever data which is pasted in the map collection, I'm iterated the data. So I simply print on launch the system.debug. So map 1. So execute non-static methods cannot be referenced from the static construct list dot 18 number column number 1. Yeah. So debug only. So user 1 having 2 phone numbers and user 2 having the 2 phone numbers. So the same data will be printed. So in later session, we have a specific methods in the map collections. So I will show the what are the map collections in the. So we have a put method, we have a get method, we have the get, and we have a contains key. There are different types of methods are there in the map collections. So in the later sessions, we have discussed more about those methods. Right now, I'm giving only introduction about the map collection and how to place the data into the map collection and how to what is the properties of map collection. Finally, the summary is map is a shows the information in the form of key and value pair. So does not allow the duplicates. It's like a set collection. So set also does not allow the any duplicates. So when the picture comes into the values and the map dot values, it allows the duplicates. It's like it's nature like a list collection. Generally, list collection allows the duplicate. So and how can we add those values into the how can, for example, I'm giving one statement: map does not allow duplicates. So I'm giving duplicate key. So whether it was yellow or not, let me see. So user one I already given user one. So string data type is list one dot get. So it doesn't. So let me see whether it was, let me execute whether it was executed or not. Unexpected token. So system dot debug 9 number. Debug only. So here we see even though we are adding the same user, we didn't get we get only user one and user two. So in the line number 19, we add the again user one and the, so for example, if I give the some string also, so let me see what happened. Yeah. Let me see what happened. Yeah. Let me give. So even though when I am initially I inserted the two users, user one and user two, with the list one and list two, and again I'm adding the same user one and with the different numbers. This time this first 17 line is replaced with the 19 line, so it will be updated. So it shows the map does not allow the duplicate key values, but it can allow the like it can allow the duplicate list. It can allow the duplicate values. Now I can see list one dot get. So I already assigned these two phone numbers to the user one, but again I'm assigning these phone numbers to the user three. Whether it was taken or not, I'm already told that map allows the duplicates. So here is the values. So in the second place, here is the values. Here is the values. It allows the duplicates. Let me see what happened. Yes, it allows the duplicates. It printed the user one and user three. But if you carefully observe, user one and user three having the same phone numbers, but means same duplicate values, but it does not allow the duplicate keys. So it's all about a small introduction about the map collection. Later session, we have a fine discussion about the what are the different methods which are involved in the map collection. So I will give more information about in an upcoming session. Please follow my channel. If you have any doubts, please ping a comment in my comment section. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.